and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a Primark haul, and I always feel with Primark hauls they're never actually intentional hauls. Like, I've got so many hauls that I'm ready to film and do because I've been shopping like crazy, but with all the other hauls I like plan it. I go on the website, I'm like, yes, you're gonna buy loads of stuff. But with Primark, or in Ireland they call it pennies, in Primark I just go in and I'm going in for like cotton pads, and I come out with £100 worth of t-shirts. And I don't know how I do it, but somehow I did it again recently, and I think it's because at the moment Primark has so much summer stuff. So typical me, I went in to get one thing and I've come out with a giant bag full of stuff that I probably didn't need, but I thought, considering I got it, I might as well do a haul and show you. And honestly, I actually love all the stuff I got. I think I'm actually a little bit of a pro Primark shopper. Anytime I go to the gym, I actually cut through Primark because it's a little bit of a shortcut. So I'm always like checking what's new and seeing what's there. And so I've got some really nice stuff today, and it's all very summer themed, so I thought you guys would like it. So if you do like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. And because I've got so many hauls coming and ready to film, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, let's get started with this haul today. Okay, so there's just one thing on here, and I'm like, I don't know if they're summer and I don't know if they're winter, but I know I needed them in my life. And they are these sliders. Now, I will admit I wasn't the biggest fan of sliders to start off with. I didn't really get the hype, but once I started wearing sliders, I got the hype, and I just thought these were so cute. They kind of look like slippers in a way, but I really like the grey platform here with the white sole. I just think it looks really fresh. And then obviously they have super fluff here, which probably isn't going to be the best thing by the pool, but this is actually really soft and really good quality. And these were only £8. I was gonna get the kids ones because I fit into the kids shoes, but the fluff didn't feel as nice. Like, honestly, they feel like really great quality, and for £8 you can't say no. And I also think they came in black as well. I just thought they'd be nice in the mornings, you know what I mean, if you have to go outside, go to the breakfast buffet. I mean, who doesn't love a breakfast buffet, am I right? I don't know why, but I just went absolutely top crazy. Now that it's that time of the year that you can actually wear t-shirts and tanks, I just wanted like lots and lots of new ones. And because t-shirts and tanks, they kind of get worn, it's something I don't mind replacing every year, every 2 years. So I just went and bought a load of tank tops, including the one I'm wearing. So I just thought this was really sweet. I just think the embroidery makes it look a little bit more expensive versus like a stick-on graphic. Now, the only thing I would say is it's a tiny bit thin and sheer, so you can see through it, but apart from that, it's a really cute little crop top. And this little top was £6. I think I spent like £80 the first time I went in, and then I went back in the next day and then ended up spending another like 20. So I say this whole haul came to like £100 in total, which is kind of a lot for Primark. Like, you think Primark's gonna be cheap, and then you come out and you spent £100 on t-shirts and you're like, how did I just do that? But I did that, and I'm not mad about it. Okay guys, you're gonna love me. These next two tops are what you need in your life. Like, everyone wants that really basic white or black crop top that you can just throw on with anything, any time of the day, and I have found the perfect one. Like, the perfect one. It's this little crop top. It's only £3. The straps are like super thin spaghetti straps, and they're really elastic. Yeah, so you don't really need a bra with it. It's really cute. It's got a nice back, and I just really like the thin straps more than anything. And for £3, like, I would buy these in probably like 10 colors, but I just think it's like the perfect little crop top for the summer. High-waisted jeans, shorts, over a bikini. Can't go wrong. I mean, guys, I told you I bought so many tops. So the next one is this one. It was also £3. I mean, bargain queen. But this is a little bandeau. I just thought it was so sweet. Again, it's embroidered, which I do think makes it look a little bit more expensive. And then it has this ruffle around the top. Just thought it was a perfect little bandeau, and £3 is literally the price of a cup of coffee. So really cute in the summer, and yeah, just cute. I don't even need to explain myself. It's cute. Thumbs up if you think it's cute. Okay, I'm gonna stop with the tops for a minute. We can go back to them later because I just got so many. But next thing I'm gonna show you guys is this bikini. Like, a little bit more expensive, just a little bit. And Primark did that cheeky thing where you have to pay for the bottoms and then pay for the top, so you think it's gonna be cheap. Actually put it together and it's not cheap. But the top was £8, and then the bottoms were £5. And the reason I kind of went for these is because they looked a little bit more cheeky on the bum than a lot of their Primark pants. No hate to Primark, like I'm not throwing any shade, but your bikinis kind of suck, and it's because of the bottoms. They look like granny bottoms. They like cover the whole bum. They look gigantic. So these were the ones that I kind of thought looked a little less granny-like. And I mean, we work hard all year in the gym, etc. to look good in a bikini, so we want to show it off. But these I thought were really sweet. You can see the little detailing on the side here, like so. It's a nice kind of sexy lace with nude, and then this is the top again with the matching detailing, which I liked because you can pull tighter, and I thought it might work with my boobs. I'm not sure. I went up. No, the lace is pulled. Can you see this? No. That's so annoying. How did that happen? Ugh. Anyways, I went up a size in the top to see if it would fit, but I'm honestly not 100% sure. But one thing is, Primark, Pennies, does do boobs, big boob, can't I speak? Primark or Pennies does do bikinis for bigger busts, so they do cater. They're not the cutest, so if you do know any kind of cute bikini companies that cater for the bustier lady, please leave me a comment and let me know, because honestly I am so stuck for bikinis this year and I really need to get some more. But yeah, the next bikini I got was this little white one. I mean, a white bikini with a tan in the summer. You know what I'm saying, and you know where I'm going with that one. This looked really nice. It has these little gold details here, which I thought would look good by the pool. A little bit of gold jewelry. This is the little top to go with it. Again, I sized up. I got an 8 in the bust, whereas everything else is a 6. It kind of fit, like it was a little bit risky, but this one came to £13 in total, so 8 for the top and 5 for the bottoms. Again, you had to buy them separately, but I much prefer bandos versus strappy bikinis, because then you're not going to get any tan lines. Summer hacks with Jade. And then, because we were talking about bandos, guys, this is from New Look. This isn't from Pennies. Don't listen to Jade. Moving on, back to t-shirts. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's a little bit out there for me. I'm not usually like a bright color kind of gal. I'm like a pinky, nudie, blacky, whitey gal. But I got this one just because of what it said on it. I thought it was quite cute. It said, "Oh honey," like a bumblebee. You get it? Honey? Kind of cute? Cute! And this one was £5. The honey on it is actually like a felt, like a velour. It's quite soft. And it's just this cute little crop top. I don't know how I feel about it. Mustard is very on trend. Not that I'm trendy, but yeah, I thought it was cute for £5. Nice little summer tee. And then I actually think this is the last t-shirt, guys. I promise. This one was £5. It was a little bit fancier, so I was thinking if I was on holidays or something and, you know, you want a nice relaxed top, you've got a bit of sunburn on your shoulders, you don't want any straps. It kind of goes off the shoulders like this, and then it's really pretty fabric. Guys, there's holes in it, so you can see through it a little bit, but I mean, I don't even care. Primark is great for like £5 tops. Like, you feel like you're going in there, you know what you're getting. It's like £5 for a top, I'll have it. But all the £5 do add up. I'm not 100% sure on this one, guys. I got a skirt. I don't know, summer is just doing something to me. The sun was out in England this week and I was just like loving it and embracing it. And so I got this skirt. It was £8 and it's this like white ruffly skirt. I don't know if you can see properly on the camera. Oh, there you go. So you can see here, it's that same kind of fabric as that little red top. Just thought they would actually look really sweet together, but then this would also look good with really any of the tops that I got. Throwing it over a little bikini if you were to go to like the beach bar or something like that and just wanted a little bit more of a cover up. But I just really like the ruffles, and it was one of those items, you know, where you're like checking out and you're like ready to go and then you just see it and you're kind of like, need that as well. It's like short enough that your skin's out, but not short enough that you can't wear it everywhere, if that makes sense. You could still wear it to dinner and then maybe out for drinks after, but you do you know what I'm saying? So the next two things I got were actually maxi dresses, and for a short person I wouldn't usually buy maxi dresses. I'm only 5'1" ish, 5'2", but I got these two maxi dresses. I got one grey and one black. So this grey one has little sleeves on it. It was only £5 as well. And this one's more of a midi dress versus a maxi dress. I lied. This one's kind of a midi dress. Just something to throw on maybe over a bikini, going for lunch. Something just light and like comfortable in the evenings. Or even for plane, even for traveling. This would be really good on the plane with the sliders. Yes, Jade! And then the next one I got was this black one, and this one doesn't have any sleeves. It's a little bit longer, and this one's £6. Looks a little bit sexy, but actually it's a really soft ribbed fabric, but actually looks a bit sexy, and you could wear it out for dinner with a nice little denim jacket, dress it up, dress it down, put some jewelry on with it. And for only £6, I just thought that was a really good like kind of layering piece in summer, because I know like you want to dress up in the evenings and look nice, but at the same time like you've been lying around the pool all day, you might want to be a little bit more comfortable. Just thought those dresses would look really good with like gladiator sandals, even just like, yeah, sliders or heels. But that's all the clothes, guys. Okay, I've got 2 more things. I just realized I went into Primark to get cotton pads, and I came out with everything but cotton pads. So yeah, the next thing I got was a bag, and I wouldn't usually get a bag from Primark. Not that there's anything wrong with bags from Primark, but I usually, if I want a bag, I might save up for one that I really, really want, that's a little bit higher end. But actually, I saw this bag, and I just thought it was so gorgeous. Like, it does not look cheap at all, in my opinion. Like, how nice is this bag? I've honestly been thinking about getting a grey bag for ages, but I just don't want to spend the money on like a Chanel or a designer bag or anything. And so I do want a little grey bag that I can have, just because I think grey is a lot more of a summer colour than maybe a traditional black bag. It was £8. It's not the biggest compartment wise, but it will definitely get an iPhone and like a lipstick or a wallet in there. And then it has this strap on it. But what I was actually thinking of doing is buying a chain strap on eBay or on Amazon or something like that, like a chain strap, and putting it on, because I think a chain strap would make it look a lot more expensive, and you can just clip them onto here. Something similar to this, you can just buy these online and they just go on a bag, and I think they make bags look just a lot more expensive. So I think I'm going to do that with that. I'll let you know if I do maybe in a future vlog or something. Finally, I got just some hair ties. These are great. They don't tangle your hair, and they don't leave like bobbin marks. What do people call it? I call it a bobbin or a bubble, but some people call them hair ties, scrunchies. I don't know. I call it a bobbin. Did I call it a bobbin? Yeah, bobbin. I'm actually a bit appalled at myself. I didn't get any sunglasses, and I actually think it's illegal to go to Primark and not buy sunglasses. Like, I have so many Primark sunglasses. Probably didn't need any more sunglasses from there, but Primark are really great for sunglasses. They're very like on trend. So they've got the really thin ones that everyone's wearing, and then they've got, of course, the they've got the aviators. But that is my Primark haul for you guys. I hope that gave you some summer inspiration. It's always a lot more fun if I do go and buy lots of stuff to be able to share it with you, and because I do think I am very good with Primark. I find the bargains, guys. So I do think all those items are really nice, and one thing I do when I am shopping is like always think about the longevity of an item. Like I would only buy stuff if I think it'll last long. So if it's got loads of like embellishments on it, or I think like sticker will peel off or something, I never ever buy it. I only buy things that I think will last a long time, or will last a lot of washes, a lot of wear. And even though it is Primark and it is a little bit cheaper, I do think it is important to think about that, because 1, money, 2, the environment and waste and things like that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this haul. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, because it really supports me, and let me know if you do want me to do any more hauls, or if you've got any shops or anything you want me to just have a look at. I don't really need a reason to shop, but if you give me one, I will do it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you very soon.